In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your LinkedIn account. If you've decided that you no longer want to keep your LinkedIn profile active, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Just keep in mind that closing your account is a significant action, so make sure you're ready before you confirm it. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard and make sure you're signed into the account you want to delete. This is your main LinkedIn home area where you can access your profile, feed, and account controls. Once you're there, look at the top row of options and click on the Me drop-down. This menu contains your personal account options, including access to settings and account management. From that drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the section where LinkedIn stores your account preferences, security settings, and other important controls. If you don't often visit this area, take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Account Preferences page and click on Close and Delete Account. Because this option is located near the bottom, it can be easy to miss, so scroll carefully. After that, click Continue. LinkedIn uses this extra confirmation screen to make sure you really want to move forward with closing the account. So don't be surprised if it asks you to review your decision. You'll then be asked to choose a reason for closing your account. Click on the option that best matches your situation. This step is mainly for LinkedIn's internal feedback, so simply choose the reason that feels most appropriate. Once you've selected a reason, click Next to proceed. On the following screen, click into the password field and type in your password. This is an important security step that helps verify that you are the account owner. Be sure to enter the password carefully to avoid any delays. Finally, click Done to complete the process. At that point, your LinkedIn account closure request will be submitted. As a final tip, before deleting your account, it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need any connections, messages, or profile information stored there, since this action may affect access to that content. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your LinkedIn account from start to finish.